Who complain here? Who complain? Legacy, oh my god. Complaining about the music. I'm French. It's okay. Alright, what's up? It's been a long time, guys. Woo, 2 weeks. 2 weeks of silence. Yeah, it was 2 weeks of silence. But I'm back with a lot of idea. I'm disconnected. Oh, yeah, I was disconnected. Look at this. Ah, okay, yeah, I was disconnected. I guess I'm back. Yo, Baba Bashiru. Yo, hello Martin. Hello Baba. Baba. Okay, so hello, and welcome, Jonathan. Welcome aboard. So, oh, hey, see the same person. Yo, Legacy. Oh, wait. Whew. Hello, Legacy. We not gonna play tonight, Legacy. Not tonight. There's gonna be some stream about Curse of Tristram and some stream about Unreal Engine. Well, that's the plan. So yes, I started to learn Unreal Engine. Oh my god, yes. You have to be happy. A real game. But the cool thing is we're gonna learn all this together at the same time. So it's very a noob versus Unreal Engine. It's gonna be interesting. Legacy. No, you will like it. You will like it. Not only you will like it, but I mean, Michael is working on the Curse of Tristram, so I mean, I cannot do anything because he have it. Doesn't matter. So we're just splitting two projects. You started Unreal Engine 4 years after I keep bugging you to do it on Unreal Engine. Yeah, well, I don't know, but I mean, I cannot do. I mean, I need to make my own thing. Unreal Engine, that's the thing. So yeah, but like I said, it's a very noob stream. Like if you have no idea how Unreal Engine work, welcome to my world. Okay. No. I'm not doing Curse of Tristram on Unreal Engine. That makes no sense. No. We learning Unreal Engine together. We learning. Okay, so are you ready? Cause this is gonna be very interesting. So the first thing I'm gonna do, okay, guys. So I will link you what I think is the best tutorial channel for Unreal Engine 2020. Okay, I'm not talking about tutorial that like 4 years ago and stuff like this. So I will link you these guys here. Okay, that's gonna be the first step. So I'm gonna post this. So this guys is Smart Poly. Okay. He making tutorial for Unreal Engine, but it's like pretty updated and it's very for noob like me. It's perfect. I joined his Discord. He's cool, and I think he's doing very good quality video tutorial for noob. So I link his video channel, and what we gonna do is we gonna actually follow all his tutorial. Basically, like he have a lot of tutorial, and he start, I think this is his channel here. He start a few years ago, no, a few months ago. So it's not very he's gonna stream tonight as well. So like everything he's doing is very easy to understand and very well made, and it's 2020 stuff. So we're gonna follow his video all together. And we're gonna make a game, a real game. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And the first tutorial we're gonna do today on the stream is this. No, sorry. This one here. So where is it? How to make a server no, not a server, browser. Why is it? Wait a minute. So we're gonna do this. How to make a dedicated server on Unreal Engine 4.25. Okay, so we're gonna do this tonight. All right, so we're gonna do this. So I link you the stuff, and yeah. Guess what his third most viewed video is? What is his third most viewed video is? Let me check. What is it? Video. The most popular. Oh yeah, right, yeah. That's interesting, yeah. This is for legacy here, actually. How to set up breast physics simulation on Unreal Engine 4. Here we go, legacy. We have your tutorial. Now we're talking about something. That's something that will interest you. I'm pretty sure. Exactly. So yeah, so this guy is making very great quality video. I'm not kidding. So we're gonna do this. So before before starting, so I'm gonna explain you. Okay, so I'm gonna explain you how Unreal Engine work and everything from the installation and everything you need to understand. I'm gonna compare this to StarCraft 2 as well. Okay, are you ready? This is the stream starting right now about Unreal Engine 4. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when you want to create a game on Unreal Engine 4 is to download the launcher. There is an epic launcher. Fabian can testing for the stream. Okay, so there is a launcher here. Okay, so you need to download the Epic Game Launcher. Yes, so this is like Steam, basically. It's like, oh, it's in French. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. Can we change the language? Alright. It's in French. Okay. Oh, here we go. French to English. Here we go. For the English people, we are. Here we go. Okay, English. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download the Epic Game Launcher like this. You don't have. So after this, you go in library. No, you don't go there. Wait, Unreal Engine. Here we go. There's a section for Unreal Engine. Here we go. So in this section, you have, I mean, basically you can use the launcher to boost to boot your editor or to open your project you're working on. So in library on Unreal Engine section, so this is very important what I'm gonna say, guys. So Unreal Engine deepen a lot of the version you're working on. Okay, so here what I have installed right now, it's 4.25.3. This is important to understand. Okay, so I'm making a game on 4.25.3. This is very important. Okay, so if you want to adjust thing on this project here, this is a project I made with a different version, you have some problem, man. I mean, you can do it, but some error can happen and stuff like this. So it's pretty much chaotic. So what I really recommend you is to only use one version of Unreal Engine for your project. If they are updating with patches and stuff, it's like, from what I see, for that I am testing the last couple of weeks, you need to convert your file and regenerate your file. So you will probably have to sometime to reinstall some stuff. Okay, understand? So yeah. So basically you work on the same version all the time. All right. Sue Apple. Okay. In the Epic Store, I was giving away some Fabian. Fabian said, oh, wait, what? Dude, there is a guy in the chat here. Said, in the Epic Store, I was giving away some assets. That's awesome. So, like he said, there is a marketplace where you can buy stuff, but there is a lot of free content too, which is actually it's really good, like really. So it's kind of, so all this is plug-in that you can fit into your engine, and you can change the coding like you want and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's really cool. And it's a good way to learn how to make system like a first-person shooter or getting loot on the ground, stuff like this. So everything is made already pretty much with some plugin, and you just need to put all this together. So that's pretty awesome too. Okay. So that's it for the Epic Game Launcher, basically. So you need to know another thing. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna create a dedicated server game. Okay, so like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm a noob that's trying to figure out how Unreal Engine is working. Okay, so you're welcome to correct me on a lot of stuff. You're welcome. Okay, so let me just give you an example of what I want to do. Okay, with Pent. Okay, so basically, what I want to create is a game server, so people will log in into my game. You're like, oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Sure. So here an example. Okay. So it's very basic, but it's interesting. So this is a little house, and this is a little boy with 2 spikes on the head. Okay. So this is my game here. Okay. Okay, this is my game. So what we're gonna do is you as a player, okay, I want you to log in to my game and you entering my world. You understand? So you entering this thing here. So this is my world. Okay, so basically it's not like a co-op game or whatever. You just logging to my game. You open the game, you type your password. Well, actually you don't type your password. You just log into the game, you enter the game, you join my server, and this is the game you're gonna play in. Okay, you got it? So this is called a dedicated server. Dedicated server. Okay, this is called a dedicated server. So this is what we're gonna do. So I can put everything I want on my server. I can put a little house. I can put a legacy avatar. I can put flowers and demons. Okay, I can put whatever I want, and you're gonna log in into this. Okay, that's, you understand? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Alright. For making a dedicated server, okay, you need to install the source engine of Unreal Engine. You understand that? Okay, what I told you is because I learned this in the couple of weeks ago, okay? Okay. So to make this, you need 2 things, okay? It's very important again, and you need, like, some tutorial talk about it and they don't explain why or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna explaining why and whatever. So you need the Unreal Engine for sources. Okay, what is this? So this here, when you open the launcher, you installing the binary version, okay, of Unreal Engine. So it's Unreal Engine, but the light version, okay? But it's good, it's working, but it's the light version. Okay. So you need to download the source engine to have a dedicated server, all right? So for doing this, you need to download it to, I'm not gonna give you all the detail, but if you follow all the tutorial of the guys I link you at the beginning of the video, we explain it, but I will go really quick on this. But mostly everyone in the world is using a website called GitHub. Okay, so what is GitHub and why we using GitHub? So GitHub is a website where you place, it's like you place your project, your game on this website, and you can work with the team, and the team can download the progress and work on it. Okay, it's like a hard disk online. Yeah, GitHub. Yeah, GitHub. Yeah, GitHub. Yeah, GitHub. Oh, okay. GitHub. Yeah. So it's a website where you put all the stuff on, and your team can download it and work on it and put it online again. So you understand? Yes. So it's like it's to put your project online, and people can, yeah. I mean, I'm repeating, but it's important to understand. It's like it's similar to like, oh, I have a good example. Okay, I have a good example. So it's similar to me working on the Curse of Tristram and Michael working on the Curse of Tristram. So how he can work on the Curse of Tristram? Well, I'm taking the map and I'm sending to Michael, and it's like, go work on it. I'm sending you the map of the Curse of Tristram to Michael. This is the same thing. I'm sending Unreal Engine 4 project on this website, and he's gonna grab it and work on it. That's a good example. So it's to sharing files together. GitHub. All right. So it's on GitHub that you will be able to download the Unreal Engine sources. Okay. So what this look like when you download the Unreal Engine sources, it look like this. A little file here. Unreal Engine release. So when you have the sources, you need to install all this. It take a lot of time, and yeah, so unzip and install, it gives you this here, and this is Unreal Engine 4 sources. So you have two Unreal Engine installed on your computer. You have the sources and the binary light version from the Epic Game Store. All right, you guys understand? All right, that's good. That's a good start. So this is all about the installation. Okay, so you need another thing to work with Unreal Engine, because we need to do coding. We need to code. So you cannot code on Unreal Engine. Oh yeah, summary. No, that's not true. You can code on Unreal Engine, but you need another tools called Visual Studio. So Visual Studio. So you need Visual Studio. You can download for free. Again, everything is free. Everything is free. So you can download again on you need on Epic Games. Everything is free. I'm not gonna show you again because it's all in the video I link You just need to follow the step. It's very long to install, I can tell you. It's very long to install. But I'm gonna set this. So you need two versions of Visual Studio. You need 2019 and 2017. So you can see here, I have it. Look at this. I have Visual Studio 17 and 19. So because the source code of Unreal Engine is built on 17. So that's why. And 19 is for the binary. That's what I think. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's why I think I figure out after 2 weeks. Okay. Okay. So, but I mean, some person told me that 2019 is working with the source engine too. So I haven't tested, but some person told me it's working the same. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm following the guy's smart party is really it's very interesting. All his tutorial is very cool. Okay. So now we have Unreal Engine installed and we have Visual Studio installed. So that's it. That's all we need. So the first thing we're gonna do is, so we're gonna open the, so, well, actually, I think we can start the tutorial. I think I talk about everything. So if I recapitulate just a little bit. Okay, so see, this is all you need. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna be very quick, don't worry. What is the version again? 4.25.3. And this is all you need. There we go. So this is all you need to make a game. You understand? This is all you need. So you need to install all this. Epic Game Launcher, Unreal Engine 4.25.3, GitHub account, Unreal Engine sources, files, Visual Studio, and Visual Studio 2017. That's it. And we're gonna work with this tonight. All of this. Okay, so remember, I'm a noob. Hey, hello Josie Rose. Greetings from Spain. Hello. So, like I said again, I'm a noob and I have no idea how Unreal Engine is working, okay? So you're all welcome to correct me and help me if you have some experience. It will be extremely appreciated. Extremely. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Are you ready? Woo! Let's make a game. Okay. So, like I said, we're gonna follow a tutorial. Yes, we will follow a tutorial. So we're gonna create a dedicated server. We're gonna follow the Smart Party tutorial step by step. And that's my first stream of Unreal Engine, so I hope it's gonna be great. I don't plan to stream a lot on Unreal Engine, but I think it was good to make a very first stream and explain the beginning. And after this, I mean, there will be Curse of Tristram stream again and playtest and everything. It's just sometimes it will be some Unreal Engine stuff. Well, I did a spell mistake in my YouTube title. You guys see it? Look at this. Special. Wait, what? I see a spell mistake. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Okay. Okay, so first tutorial of the day is by this guys. Smart Party. He's really good, by the way.
Hello guys, Smart Polly here. Welcome back
Look
to
at this.
another tutorial. Today I will show you guys how to compile your own dedicated server so that you'll be able to host your own server for your very own game. So your friends can download your game and join your server from across the globe. This tutorial works for the latest version of Unreal Engine 4.25, but it will also work for any of the previous versions of Unreal. So if you guys want to play multiplayer on your game,
this is what we're gonna do, guys. So he made a dedicated server and people can log in and just do some stuff. So that's exactly what I want to do. So that was going to be the first step.
Show you what to do today. Alright, so before we get started, 80% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subbed. Make sure you hit that
sub to this, guys. Let me show you again. I link it in the chat, but this guy is very good. Smart Polly. Click it. Click it. It's really good, and it's already updated.
You guys don't want to miss out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that you want to do is, if you don't have it already, you want to have Visual Studio.
This is all I explained you at the beginning of the stream, okay? So I just give you more detail, but we can listen. I just give you more detail about.
I will leave the link to download this in the description.
So you can see here. So you can see here. This is the source version said Visual Studio Community 2017. So that's why I have 17. But people told me, some person told me it's gonna work on 19. Oh, Samadin is sub. Whoa, wait. Oh, it's Doranamo. Doranamo gift. A gift to Samadin this month. Thank you, Doranamo. Thank you very much. Last month he gave to Legacy. Did he said thank you? I'm not sure.
Download that and install it. Once you load up the Visual Studio installer.
So this is all to install. I think we can skip it until this is all the stuff I told to you.
Drive. What you want to do is go ahead and run.
So this is like how to install the source code of Unreal Engine. Okay, we're not gonna like
the setup.bat. Basically,
you just need to click like some executive. It's really easy. It's not complicated. So this is the part you guys would have to understand too.
UE4.sln with Visual Studio 2017. All right, once you.
Okay, so he opened the source code of Unreal Engine source with Visual Studio 2017. So we're gonna do the same thing. Okay. We're gonna follow his tutorial. So what I'm gonna do, first step, this is my source engine, and if you click the SNL file and you right click it, you see open with Visual Studio 2017. Here we go. So we're gonna start with this. So this is opening the it loading all the file, and you can see the coding. Actually, it's like C++ coding. Okay, you understand? It's like triggers. No, it's not just triggers. In StarCraft 2, it's more like script. It's more like scripting, and triggers is more in Unreal Engine. So yeah, but it's like scripting. Yeah, so you can see a lot of code line. What are you making on Unreal Engine? I'm making a dedicated server. I'm making a game basically, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm making a dedicated server. See, A dedicated player login into a game. That's the plan. All right, so we're gonna load Visual Studio. Okay, so you might be scared about all this, but I can explain you quickly how this setup is working. It's really easy, really easy. It's really easy to understand, guys. Okay, so it's finished loading. So basically, okay, I'm gonna explain you quickly, but basically when you install Unreal Engine sources, you don't have all the files. No. You don't have all the files. You will go here and you will be like, oh my god, where is the executive? How can I load my engine? There is nothing. This is the dot executive of Unreal Engine editor, okay? It's because you haven't built the file together, okay? So this is, I mean, you will need to follow the tutorial of Smart Poly, but basically, I'm just gonna give you a brief installation tips. Something I did not realize when I was installing my engine is this thing here. Okay, there is a panel here that is very, very important. So basically what you want to do when you build your engine is this. Click here, development editor. So by doing this, you order the script to build your engine like this, build. And it's gonna install all the file you're looking for. That's a big mistake I did in the last couple of weeks. So I didn't really understand that thing, but I just tell you, okay? That's what you have to do. Okay. Okay. So to explain you what is this is coding. So if I click here, no, sorry. If I click here, no, sorry. Well, whatever. Basically, this is my engine loading here, and you can build the file if you need to build the file. I mean, if you made some change in the engine, which you are not supposed to do, you need to rebuild the file again, rebuild the file. So this is how, like, okay, so how can I explain this? Well, we're gonna see later, okay? Let's continue the video. We're gonna see later, okay? We're gonna see later. I'm gonna explain you later. It's really not hard to understand.
You have it loaded up here. Make sure that's development editor.
See,
right here,
just what I taught to you
64.
here.
Then what you want to do is go over to UE4 and right click and click build. Now this is going to take anywhere from 10 to 40 minutes.
So he said this is gonna take 10 to 40 minutes depending of your computer. So to give you an example, doing this for me take me 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. So yes, my computer is trash.
Minutes depending on your computer setup. Next, you want to load up Unreal Engine.
So we're gonna, now that we have built the source engine, we're gonna open the editor from the Epic Game Launcher. So launch. So we're gonna open it, guys. We're opening it. Unreal Engine 4 opening for the first time on stream. So I'm pretty excited about this. At the same time, I miss a lot the Curse of Tristram. It's been 2 weeks. I haven't touched it. Michael have it. But I'm definitively continue Curse of Tristram. There is no doubt. This is just on the side, and it's gonna change. It's gonna. I hope we can make progress on boot side. Actually, I hope. So is it loading or what's going on? Oh, Yes, look at this here. It's loading. When Act 2 is out, I don't know. I know Michael have started. I don't know if where he is. Well, I'm not sure he started. I know he finished Act 1. But I don't know. He have it. So Michael, it's Michael. If he got some free time, he's gonna do Act 2. Yeah, definitely. It's on the planning. So I don't know. He did. I don't know. We didn't really give me update. So I think he finished. I think he finished Act 1, but. Unreal Engine 4 by God. Yeah, that's true. Oop, oop. Yeah, I don't know. Michael have it, Legacy. So, I mean, there is only Michael that can make it. That's the thing. It's the artist. The last thing I did on the Christmas room is I clean up the Barbarian a lot. I remember I clean up. I polish it so much, and I gave him the map, and then we decide to start Unreal Engine. I decide to start learning it. And yeah, and Michael is totally agree. We should start learning it. And I sacrificed my free time for 2 weeks to learn this thing, and it's very cool. You will see. It's very nice. Honestly, I think we can have a lot of fun. I think it's very cool. Like I really like the editor. Okay, here we go, guys. Create a new project. As the first step, we're gonna continue the video. Like I said, I'm a noob and I need tutorial. There we go.
And open up whatever project you want to build your dedicated server. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a new project in 4.25.
Let's make a new project.
Create a new project. We'll hit games, click next, and then we'll.
Okay, so let's do the same thing. So games, next, third person. So you can choose different kind of blueprint at the beginning. First person shooter, flying game, puzzle game, rolling game. This can be fun. Third person game, top down game. Ready, top down game. I didn't know that. Interesting. This is a mobile game. I'm not sure. No, this is for phone. 2D side scroller. Nice. Oh, sorry. Vehicle game. Wow. Virtual reality. No. Vehicle advance. Ready. Strange. That's cool, huh? So we're gonna do third person. So this is this is not very well. It's important, but the thing is we're gonna use a project using Blueprint eventually. So we're gonna stay this to Blueprint, but you can choose like C++ if you're crazy and you know your thing. But I don't know anything about C++ except very few things because I did some C++ in the last 2 weeks just to see. It's very scripting. It's like you typing everything. It's so long. It's coding basically. And yeah, so we're gonna keep Blueprint and we're gonna add C++ on this later. Okay, so let's continue the video and we're gonna see.
We'll do third person. Okay, we'll click next, and we can just leave this as my project, and I'm gonna go ahead and include starter content. So click create project.
With starter content, yeah. Okay, create project. Here we go. So third person game. There we go. So the engine is like it's not very. there is a lot of thing you can do on Unreal Engine, a lot of thing. But you know, after use StarCraft 2 editor for years, I understand a lot of thing like on Unreal Engine 4. So I'm not super scared of all this because I understand. I mean, I understand what is an engine and from StarCraft 2, and there is a lot of similitude, like similarity, and there's a lot of thing that is the same. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I recognize a lot of things because of StarCraft 2, so it's cool. My project editor. It's loading. So my goal is to put my dedicated server on a USB card. I plug in my computer. So we'll see if this is gonna work. Honestly, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work tonight, but we'll see. Okay. So this is Unreal Engine. So as you can see, it's like StarCraft 2. You can move like this, and you know, do all the stuff you want, and you can play. Actually, yeah, there's a play button here. So look at this. So this is me. I'm moving and I'm jumping. This is my game, guys. Woo! Look at this. Wow. So we're moving like this. This is the game we're gonna play. Oh my god, this is so good. Woo! This is like the demo, and it's this. So this is Unreal Engine. Okay. So this is what we have for now. Okay. Okay. So it's not very. I'm not gonna explain all the stuff, but basically, like, I think we're gonna continue the video, and I'm gonna explain the difference between StarCraft 2 and this. But let's continue. It's very similar.
So now that we're in here, we can see our little third-person default level here. So right now this project is 100% blueprint. It doesn't have any C++ in it, and to compile our dedicated server we're gonna have to convert this to a C++ project, and we're also gonna have to build this. We can go ahead and
because by default, if you use blueprint by default, the project is not C++, so you need to add C++ on blueprint. You understand? So it's just because it's by default. So
and convert this to a C++ project. So what we want to do, go into your content.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. We need to do it. So content, what is it again? Content.
And we're here. Right click, add a new.
Oh yeah. Right click. New C++ class. Look at this. So you choose none, and well, it doesn't matter about the name, honestly. So yeah, create class. That's it. We're gonna continue. It's gonna compile, but
new C++ class, and you can just click none. Click create class. This will basically convert your project to be able to basically have C++, and it will also generate part of the Visual Studio files that we're going to need. So you can see at the bottom here it says compiling C++ code. Okay, so it's going to open up Visual Studio, but you can go ahead and close.
So it's going to open Visual Studio at the same time. Oops, I think I missed a step here, but god damn it, because I open 17. I hope it's gonna work. Let's see. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work. So it compile the C++ code. The thing is you need to set up your Unreal Engine on the good Visual Studio as a thing. So I don't think I didn't put the good one, but Let's see. It shall not be that long. If it's too long, I think I did a mistake. I don't know. I was wondering before streaming it if my computer is gonna. Oh, it's working. Nice. Look at this. Woo. My computer will be able to all this, but yeah, definitively. Like some person use very bad computer to run Unreal Engine, so there's no problem. It's loading, boys. Okay. All right. So we have it. My project is here. The engine is here. So you guys understand? Engine here, project here. Okay. So this is like the coding of the files. So if you go in example, if you go in sources and I click my project editor target, we will see coding on the left. You can change in the C++. Did you see the Warcraft Reforged video in Unreal Engine? Yeah, I see it, Fabian, I see it. Yeah. It's loading, but you know, it's loading, but I don't care because in StarCraft 2, it's always loading and freezing. So, see, I don't care. It's loading, and I'm happy. I have so much experience on StarCraft 2. My computer crash and load. You see, it's already done. It's faster than StarCraft 2. Look at this. There we go. So if you click on here, you can see all the coding for this file. And you can change it like this. Okay, so we're gonna continue the video. I think I can close this. So I can continue the video and let's see what we're gonna do now.
That. What we're gonna go ahead and do is just make a simple level here for our server.
Oh, we're making a level already? Okay.
To represent our server map. That way you guys don't get confused later on in the video. Okay, so we can just go file.
Okay. So we're making a level. So alright. Already, imagine that. Unreal Engine making a level. So, file, new level, default. So you're gonna remove the floor, if I remember.
Oh, new level. And click default. Okay, we can go ahead and delete this little guy.
Yeah. So you delete the floor like this. And we're gonna create a terrain.
And go over here to the landscape mode.
Okay, the landscape mode. Where is this? Oh, mode. Landscape mode. So this is like in StarCraft 2 when you switch from Traggers to terrain to Dota. Same thing. Okay, landscape mode. So we're gonna create a terrain on the ground. Let's see. Let's see this, guys.
And then go ahead and just make ourselves a default landscape. We're going to change the material here to grass.
Okay, so it's really easy. You just go here. Grass. So that's the material for the terrain. Good. Ground grass. That's good. So what do I have to do after?
Let's create a simple grass map here. Okay, so bolt. Okay, we can go ahead and delete this little guy. And go over here to the landscape mode. And then go ahead and just make ourselves a default landscape. We're going to change the material here to grass. Let's create a simple grass.
That's it? EGOD, Handy, what's up? Well, I will change this, honestly. Alright, let's create that. Okay. I got my grass.
Grass map here. Okay, so we can go back over here to select and drag this up.
The thing is, whatever. Okay, so this is some kind of lightning effect we're gonna have to adjust. Let me just back a little bit because I didn't change the
grass map here. Okay, so we can go back over here to select and drag this up.
Oh yeah. This is the starting player thing, so. Is it this? No. The player, right? Yeah, it's pretty much everything, honestly. Can I just oh yeah, this here. There is a function to put to 0 actually. But whatever. Okay. Alright, let's continue. Yo, EGOD, it's Charlita. Glad to see you enjoying. Oh, what's up, man? Yo, I didn't like. I did not fix. Well, actually, that's the most. I mean, I did not figure out my problem yet. Wait, what is the last thing I speak to you? Give me a second. Oh, it's because I changed. No. Listen, Charlita. So I decide to not use Steam because. Thank you for following the stream. Yeah, I decide to not use Steam because we want to make the dedicated server on Epic Games Launcher eventually. But we cannot do it now. I think it's coming out in 2021, right? So we're gonna make it on Epic Game Launcher and not on Steam. So I gave up the idea for the Steam, and I'm gonna create a dedicated server on a USB card first. Yeah, I have a USB card on my computer, and we're gonna log into it. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm following a tutorial at the same time, so that's an update.
Up like that, and we can go ahead and set our light source to movable and our skylight.
Skylight, a light source movable. Skylight to movable and light source to movable. I'm not sure why this thing, but We'll see. Alright, let's see.
to movable, and that'll be all fine like that. Okay, and this is just to represent our server level, so we can go ahead and save it.
Okay. So you save it
And we can go ahead and make a new folder called maps.
to maps. Okay. Content maps. Content maps. So that's it.
And then name this server map. Okay.
Server maps. Oh, okay. Maps. Server map. Save. Okay, cool. Let's continue.
So once that's all saved, okay, so we're gonna go ahead.
Oh, I see you're waiting on Unreal Engine 5. Supposedly they are making it forward compatible, so it will be easy to go from Unreal Engine 4. I was playing the same. Yeah, Unreal Engine 5 is coming out 2021, and there will be a preview available like this Christmas or something like this. So, yeah. Yeah, definitively.
Ahead and package this game now that we're all done with this. So before we package, you want to go to edit, project.
Edit project setting, okay. So edit project setting. What I do in there?
Settings, and under the project settings there's some important things that you need to note when you're packing your game. Under maps and modes here, you're gonna have the default editor startup map and then the default game map. Usually you'd set this to your main menu map, so if you had an empty level that was your main menu, you'd set it to that. And then under the packaging right here, you want to click this little down arrow and scroll down to the
So package, packaging. You scroll down to what?
list of maps to include in packaged build.
List of maps including
So this is
package
a little
build.
array.
Okay. So I guess this is like the dedicated server thing. List of map to include in the package build. Okay, it's variable. Oh, interesting. Okay, so what kind of variable I'm making there?
You can add different elements here, and you want to have the name of your maps that you want to include in your final game. So server map.
Cool.
And then you want third person example map.
Cool, okay. So server map and third I'm not very good at English. I want to be sure it's the right thing. Wow. Third person. I'm gonna check the guys. What did he write? He write third person example map. Okay. Third person example map. Okay. Alright. So that's it.
One more thing, if you're doing a tiled landscape.
Fabian said, why Unreal and not Unity? Because Unity is... it's more for people who want to Like, I mean, I don't know, but I don't like Unity. That's a good answer.
You're also going to have to add each and every single level that's included in that.
Unreal is the future.
So just pay attention to that. Very important thing you want to make sure you do. So once you're all done with that, you can go ahead and close the project settings.
Okay. Okay, so what I do after?
So we can go ahead and click File and Package Project.
Package project,
64.
Windows.
Make a new folder on the desk.
Interesting. It's really annoying that I need to change the tab. File. What? What it was? Huh? It was package. Oh, package project. Oh, okay. File, package project, Windows. Okay. So what do I do now?
Win64. Make a new folder on the desktop, name it My Project, and then start packaging.
Okay, desktop, my project. Okay. Desktop. My project. Ah. I need to select a folder. What the heck?
Make a new folder on the desktop, name
Oh, make a new folder. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so desktop, new folder, my project. Okay. Oh, it's packaging. Nice. Oh, yes. Making progress, making progress. Fabian said, ha, yeah, Unreal is the future. Yeah, I mean, fuck Unity. I mean, hey, Unity is for kids, okay? It's beast. Unreal is for beast, man. You don't have to be scared about Unreal. So, okay, I'm kidding a little bit. Like, the thing is, I watch a lot of video that compare boot. And I think if you want to make a kind of 2D game, and if you want a game that work on mobile, desktop, Android, laptop, whatever, Unity is better. Unity is all the same. It's called C. You coding in C, and it's working on all the stuff at the same time. But but Unreal Engine, it's not the same things. But yeah, it's so. I mean, I found myself on Unreal Engine and not Unity. So yeah, Unity is like it's Unity. Like when you hear Unity, it doesn't like sound good. It sounds cheap. But if you hear Unreal Engine, it doesn't sound cheap. It sounds strong and good, you know. If someone said, "Oh, I made a game on Unity," and you're like, "Oh, I made my game on Unreal Engine," he's like scared, you know. It's like the beast versus the small pony. So I choose Unreal Engine just for this. So 2 weeks ago, my goal was to make a a dedicated server on Steam, using Steam. So it was different than what I'm doing tonight. But I don't know. It was not working for some reason. Well, it was working, but not. It's not what I'm looking for, because you need. The thing is, when you create a server on Steam, like, you already need your game to be upload and stuff. So that's not what I'm looking for. So my game is in progress. So. Diablo on Unreal Engine 4? No, oh hell no. Diablo is still on StarCraft 2. Don't worry about that. We're still developing it. Michael is working on it. During this time, I'm gonna learn and begin Unreal Engine 4. So we cannot work at the same time, Michael and me, whatever. So, well, sometime, but not at this point of the development. Diablo is for StarCraft 2. See, like, it's loading, it takes time, but I have so much experience with StarCraft 2 about loading and freezing that I don't care. I'm happy and I don't care, and I'm waiting. It's, you know, it's experience. Experience. Yo, masking, Focus, your project Diablo is over? No, it's absolutely not over. Absolutely not. No. And it's in good shape right now. Like, Curse of Tristram is in good shape. Actually, I wanted to make the 3-hour quest back. And I wanted to stream it and stuff. So I have some... Curse of Tristram is in good shape right now. So I don't think it's over. Absolutely not. Michael is working on it. So, like I said, we cannot work at the same time, so... Yeah. Yeah, so basically what I want to do on the Curse Tristram, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to activate, reactivate the 3-hour quest, the bonus quest I made. That will be very interesting to try it. I never do it on streaming. It's 3 hours of gameplay, so... I know Legacy, like, do that quest in, like, 1 hour at some point when you have a very high character and stuff. But it's very long quest. So... And I'm gonna finish the Barbarian for sure and stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's not over. Absolutely not. I miss Curse of Tristram sometimes. Like, for 2 weeks I didn't touch it and I miss it. I miss it right now. I think it's fun. So I'm missing it. That's a good thing. Alright, be right back. I got some juice. Look at this. Oh, oh my god. Yeah, juice with ice. Is this enough for you guys? Can I show it again? Mama. That's good. It's good for the brain. It's still compelling. Oh, I have a news for you guys. My mouse died. My old mouse died. Look at this. It's not a USB mouse. Look at this. Just died. It died yesterday. Doesn't work anymore. So I got a new one. About time, eh? About time this mouse died. I'm happy that happened. Yeah, it's dead. What we can do with this now? Huh? Can we throw this in the garbage maybe? It's over. It's dead. I mean, I plug another mouse, but it's not a new mouse. It's just an old mouse I had in case that thing happened. It's always good to have one more. And it happened yesterday. Yeah, something weird happened yesterday. My computer freeze, my mouse die, and my sound card messed up too. So I was like, whoa, what's going on? So I was scared that something have exploded in my computer, but finally today it's really good. Everything worked. I'm not sure. Except the mouse is dead, but yeah. I was supposed to stream yesterday, and that's what happened. So. It's still loading. So I'm packaging. So what I'm doing, I think, is I'm packaging my game into something. So did I miss a step or something? I'm just gonna. What's the next step? Let's see.
My project, and then start packaging. Okay, so you click on the show output log here. You're gonna see your output.
Oh, there is a log. Oh. Wow, we can watch the log. Oh, see, a bunch of code like this. Is it interesting to watch? Maybe not. Alright, let's just close it, I guess. We don't care about a bunch of wall text. So what do you think about this? The Renamo, I watched your stream yesterday. I watched the whole stream. I watched from zero. I watched all your raid. That's remind me why I don't play classic. God damn. I hate raiding. The thing is, I hate listening someone who told people to do stuff. I mean, because it remind me I'm working somewhere and my boss tell me something. and I cannot deal with that. I can. It's very time confusing. Yeah, and it's so hard to me. Like your guild leader is like, I mean, yeah, it's long, and the thing is, you need to wait. I think the worst part is waiting. So you are ready. You're listening the boring advice for the boss fight, and it's long. And someone have a question like, okay, where I have to go on the corner? He's like, yeah, you have to go on the corner. Oh, okay, and you're like, and you're about to fall asleep, and oh my god, the fight is starting, and everyone die in 10 seconds, and you do it again, and he's talking. I mean, I cannot I can't believe you doing this. Like, I cannot. It's, oh my god. That was a good stream. Well, listen. The Renamo. Listen. During Burning Crusade, I was in a guild and I was raiding, but the guild I was in was the opposite of all you can imagine. If we don't know what the boss is doing, we just fucking go. We go and we die, but we figure out like, oh, okay, he's doing this. Okay, all right, let's go. All right, let's go buff and let's go in again, die again, and the third time we got it. There is no like freaking explanation, and like that was my guild. That was the guild I was playing with in Burning Crusade. I was so much fun. That was the best guild I had. Like, we was like a bunch of person who just doesn't take this seriously, but still killing stuff and doing the raid. It's just, that's, you know, that's the thing. It's just the fact, like, if you never fight this raid boss, and you pass 30 minutes explain everything, people will never understand it. You need to go in and look. This is what it looked like. You need to die first, and you save so much more time. That's the thing. All right, 433 shatter. So it's going down, guys. It's loading. This is very good juice. Refreshing. Refreshing. I invite to see, like, I inviting people at the same time to start Unreal Engine. If you guys wondering if they should start a project at the same time as me, definitively you guys should do it, and we can help each others. If you're interested into this, you can watch my video on YouTube too. Everything is recorded, so you can see I'm a noob and I'm learning this monster, and If you want to join me, join me. Join me. We're gonna do this together. Let's make a game together, and it's gonna be fun. I think it can be very fun and very interesting. If you guys are still scared about Unreal Engine, join me. We will beat this monster. It's like the raid boss here, and we're learning how to beat the raid boss. It's almost done. Ooh. Compilating sharder. Almost complete. There is one shader left. Oh my god. Missing Unreal Engine game binary. You may have to build Unreal Engine with your IDE. Alternatively, build using Unreal Build Tool with the command line. Platform configuration. What? What that mean? So it didn't work. Oh. You missing Unreal Engine game binary. Click the build button at the top next to compile. In Visual Studio. Here. Oh, next to compile. Oh, here. Okay. Strange. Stage fail. Okay. So that's it. I'm checking the error, but okay. But I'm gonna retry again, I guess. So should I save again? Let me save. Should I save all? No. Well, whatever. Package. Package. Okay, let me try again. Yeah, the build is complete, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Charita. Charity. Well, I don't remember your name. Your name is Charlita. The same problem. You may have to build the original project with your IDE. My IDE? Missing game binary. User, client MD, Unreal, my project binary, my project. Dot target. No, I don't think. No, I didn't. Target. Well, I click here. Not supposed to. No. I open this. I did not. I don't think. My project target. My project. This is exactly what bug, and this is exactly what I open. My project point target. Is it missing? Check that. Check that this build target has been built. Oh, I think I understand what I have to do. I think I need to build this, right? If I do build, something like that. No, not yet, right? Not sure. But I followed the tutorial. Enable to find package for cooking. Enable, enable. The heck is cooking? Well, that's strange. Strange. I mean, I. Already, you will. Wait a minute. Let me check the video again. This is the video I'm following. Let me check.
Log. If you're doing this with your own project that you have, there are a bunch of blueprint and stuff written in, you might get a few errors or something. You're just gonna have to work through those and get through them. Typically, you want to package your game quite frequently, so we're just gonna give this a couple minutes and we'll come right back. Alright, so now we can see here that our packaging is complete, build successful. We can go ahead and close this.
We didn't get successful.
Our project. To the list of maps to include in packaged build. So this is a little array. You can add different elements here. So once you're all done with that, we can go ahead and close the project settings, and we can go ahead and click File and Package Project, the default editor startup map, and then the default game map. Usually you'd set this to your main menu map. So
I didn't did that here. Is it by default? Because I didn't do that. Game preference. Okay. It was what it was again? Map and mode. Wait, what is this? I'm not in a good thing. Mode. Wait, what is this? Where is this? Project map and node. What is that?
Project settings and
project setting. Oh my god. Project setting. Map mode. Third person example map. Oh, it was already there. Third person example map. Okay. And the other thing was packaging. Server map, third person map. Is it okay? Let me check again.
And under the project settings, there's some important things that you need to note when you're packing your game. Under maps and modes here, you're going to have the default editor startup map and then the default game map. Usually you'd set this to your main menu map. So if you had an empty level that was your main menu, you'd set it to that. And then under the packaging right here, you want to click this little down arrow and scroll down to the list of maps to include in packaged build. So this is a little array. You can add different elements here, and you want to have the name of your maps that you want to include in your final game. So server map, and then you want third person example map.
Okay, that's it.
One more thing, if you're doing a tiled landscape, you're also going to have to add each and every single level that's included in that tiled landscape. So just pay attention to that. Very important thing you want to make.
Okay, but it doesn't fix my problem.
And open up whatever project, and I'm going to go ahead and a C+ Studio, but you can go ahead and close that. What we're going to go ahead and do is just make it. Okay, so I was going to open up Visual Studio, but you can go ahead and close that. What we're going to go ahead and do is just...
Under packaging map, there is, I believe, it lets you point to the map file. Had to do that before. If you can't find the map file, you will have to tell it where they are. I'm gonna check my folder. Because this is good. So this is the source, but Unreal project, my project. So I made in content maps, server map, server build data. That's exactly what it's there. This is good. I mean, maps content. Everything is there. I don't get it. Maybe I should. Let me try again. Package, Windows. Enable to find package. First person example map is not there. So check that target have been built. I think I need to build it. You know what I mean? Like from the Visual Studio here. First person example map is not there. You mean third person? You mean third person example map? Third person example map. The error is there. Missing receipt, user, document, Unreal project, my project, binary. So is it there, this thing? So my project, binary, Win64, my project dot target. Yeah, see? It's not there, so I need to build it. See? It's not there. Yeah, but it's not there. Look. He's looking for something that is not there. See? So, my guess will be to build my project using build. But I think it's like not supposed to be right now. That's kinda strange. Do you think it's because I'm not using the source code? The source one? I open the binary one. Let me try something else. I have an idea. Okay, I'm gonna open. Let me close all this. I think I might have. I'm gonna open this with the source one. Okay, let me try something. Well, I think it's because I didn't build the thing, but I think it's later because the guys later in the video we building the stuff in Visual Studio. So yeah. Hello? Is it working? I don't think it's working. Oh, here we go. That's the source engine. I'm gonna try with the source engine. If it doesn't work, well, I don't know. Well, if it doesn't work with the source engine, I will build the projecting with in Visual Studio. That's what I would do, but a few days ago I did this tutorial, but I didn't get an error there, so I'm confused. But I was missing that file as a thing. So I was missing. A couple of days ago, I did the same tutorial, but I miss an important file, which now I have this file. So I'm not sure what I did wrong the first time or what I did wrong today. In document. So I was missing this the last time I did that, and now I have it. The assets for build data. I have no idea why it was missing. Oh, I think this is when you told me to build it. Ah, that would make sense. Oh, makes sense. Yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, it's gonna load because the first time I load it. So this is the source engine. The first load is long. when you load the source engine for the first time, it's actually long, so I didn't load it. This is good, huh? Still loading. Wow. I'm not sure if this is a girl or a boy, actually. I'm not sure. Wow. This is some graphic. Like I said, the first loading is always long because it building stuff, but it's completely normal. Wall, wall, wall. The future of slowness. But that's normal. It's just one time. Fabian, it's just one time load. Don't worry. It's loading. It's loading. I mean, hey, it can be worse than StarCraft 2. I don't know if you remember StarCraft 2, guys, but then all the time I was waiting for loading, for trigger stuff. Oh my god. I remember StarCraft 2, and hey. It can be worse. Look. I did this today. Not bad, huh? Come on, come on, come on. I have some picture of my desktop. Let's take a look. Ah, this is good. What is this game? My god. Ah, wow, the new loading. Wondering what Michael did. Well, that is wrong. This is long. Oh my god. Yeah. This is getting long now. What should I do? Should I stop that or try something else? I mean, I'm not sure if this is gonna fix it. It's just. I mean, I suppose, but. I mean. Imagine if I stop it and we wait all this time for nothing. You know, my computer is. I don't know. I'm not sure. Is it like freeze or? Not sure. Is it freeze? Imagine if I stop it. I could stop it. Let's watch the rest of the video during the wait.
Just make a simple level here for our server map. You're just gonna have to work through those and get through them. Typically, you want to package your game quite frequently, so we're just gonna give this a couple minutes and we'll come right back. Alright, so now we can see here that our packaging is complete, build successful. We can go ahead and close this, and then we can go ahead and close our project. Alright, we'll see on our desktop, we open this up, we have Windows No Editor, and then we have our project, which we can run that. It's just a simple third-person level that opens up. Alright, so now what we want to do is go ahead and get our dedicated server compiled. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to your project here, show in folder. Alright, so all you have to do now is right click my project and switch Unreal Engine version to the source build at the C drive that we downloaded from GitHub. Click OK. It will generate the project files. Okay, and then in the source file right here, you can go ahead and open it up. And then what you want to do is go over to your
this is why I don't need to do what I'm doing.
Release the source build, go to engine, source, and then copy over the UE4.
Yeah, it's probably not this. Okay. Because you need to convert anyway. So I don't think it's what I need to do is... I don't think I need to open this. Well, let's continue the video and see.
Then all you have to do is rename this to my project server.target.cs.
I understand what he's doing. Like,
with Notepad++.
I don't really understand.
Rename this right here to my project or your project name. And do the same for right here as well. And then change this to my project, and then file, save this. Okay, once that's finished, you can go right here, right click and generate the Visual Studio project files. Once that's finished, you can right click the project.sln and open that up with Visual Studio 2017. Okay, and then once we have this open, what you want to do is click on your project. Click down here on the little tab and click development server. Sure, that's
development server. That's your dedicated server.
Go ahead and right click and click build.
And now you build it.
Alright, so this might take a while depending on your computer as well. You're going to see here it's going to start building.
Interesting.
13 out of 632. And you just have to wait for it. So it'll take, about 10 or 15 minutes. Alright, so now that we see the build has completed here, we can go ahead and close Visual Studio. Then you want to go to your project here, go to the binaries, Win64, and you're going to see you're going to have your My Project server file right here. Open up your project that you packaged, open up Windows No Editor, Engine, binaries, Win64, and then what you want to do is copy over My Project server and paste it in the Win64 right here. Then what we want to do is create a shortcut of My Project server, and then we can go here and click properties. So we want to specify a path for the map that the server will open. So in your project here, you go to your content and then maps and the server map right here. So basically you want to write right here after the exe / game / maps / server map and then space -log. Okay, so the game basically is the content folder here, maps folder, and then the server map right here. Okay, so then you can hit apply here, and basically what that will do now is if we run it, our command prompt will open up and the dedicated server will run, and it will show us all the logs here. So to close this, you can hit Control-C, which will go ahead and shut down the server. The only thing left to do here is to open up our ports so that we can allow anyone to join.
It's already open, so interesting. The rest is pretty easy.
Running our game, you want WAN, click that for address map, which is just
cool.
Landscape.
Say that's it pretty much. Okay, that I mean it's very not complicated. Okay, I think this is completely freeze, I guess. How many time we wait on this? Imagine if I close this. Should I or should I not? I should not. Control Alt Delete. Should I Control Alt Delete this? That's the question. We need to do a vote, I think. Should I close this? Control Alt Delete and open the other one and retry again, or wait? Just wait. That's the question. Maybe we should just wait at this point. It's still loading, so... So, any change on... I don't know, Warcraft? Is there any change on Warcraft 3? Is there a patch, or do we have rank game, or what's going on Warcraft 3? Oh my god, I disinstalled Warcraft 3. Oh, I remember why. Well, that's a long story. Well, developer update, Reforge update. Oh. I don't think there is the update we're looking for after 7 months. All right, so boys and girls, I think it's time to control alt delete this. So let me wait 10 seconds. I going to give you 10 seconds to do something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5, 8, 9, 9.9, 10. Okay. Well, goodbye. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, it's over. Well, okay, let me go back here. Launch. I guess there's something else I did wrong. I guess. I believe there's something wrong I did. I believe. Oh my god. Ready? Another 45% stuck here. Oh, okay. Alright. That's working. Phew. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna reopen my project. We're gonna try again. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So. I mean, I did nothing wrong. That's the thing. Did I did something wrong? Server map. Let me check again a little bit.
Click create class. Just C++ like that, and we can go ahead and set our light source to movable and our skylight to grass map here. Okay, so we can go back over here to select and then name this server map. Okay.
Game map.
Server map. Okay.
Server map.
So before we map and then the default game map, usually you'd set
Third
this
person
to your
example
main menu
map.
So if you had an empty level, that was your main menu.
Okay, I did nothing wrong. I'm not sure. Well. Okay, so let me try again. Package. In my project. Is it redoing everything again? Mm, 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 mm. Sure, I'm using the build of the binary version, so that's why I try to open the other editor to... So I'm gonna build it on the source. That can make a difference. If it doesn't work again, you know. I mean, that's another thing. I mean, I can build it on the source engine and... That's something I should try. Yeah, that's something I should try. If it doesn't work, that's what I should do. Huh? It worked! What I did! I fixed it! Seriously? Wait, what? Magic! Wait, wait, it's working! What? What I did? I'm confused. wait, it's working! Wait, what? I'm not sure. What I did? What's the difference? Can someone explain me this? Okay. Well, it's working, guys. My God. Haha. Okay. Well, I'm very surprised. What the heck? See? Everything is there. Wait, let me check. Third party. Extra. Well, I guess everything is there. I'm not sure, but it seems pretty empty. Okay, so what's the next step? Let's see.
What we want to do is go ahead and get that opens. Go ahead and close this.
Oh, I can open it. Okay, wait a minute. Let's try it. Oh. Whoa! Oh, it lagged a little bit on the screen, but it's actually very smooth on my computer. Okay. Well, my game. This is my game, guys. Okay, that's interesting. So how do I leave this? Okay. Oh, okay, let me try again. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, so it worked. Surprisingly. Okay, so... Try again here.
And then we can go ahead and close our project. Alright, we'll see on our desktop. We
Okay, this is what I got.
Editor. And we have our project, which we can run that. It's just a simple third-person level that opens up. Alright, so now what we want to do is go ahead and get our dedicated server compiled. So what we want to do is go ahead and go to your project here.
Show in folder. Okay, let me see this. So in my launcher. So you go in Unreal Engine. My project, show in folder. Ah, okay. So what do I do with this?
Show in folder. Alright, so all you have to do now is right click my project and switch Unreal Engine version to
Switch Unreal version to
the source build.
the source build. This one? Which one actually? This one. Switch Unreal Engine version to source build. Okay. Let's see. Generating files. Did you see that, Carlita or Carliti? You see that? It worked by magic. I did magic and it worked. I'm not sure what I did. Okay, that's it. So what I do after?
Build at the C drive that we downloaded from GitHub. Click OK. It will generate the project files. Okay, and then in the source file right here, you can go ahead and open it up. And then what you want to do is go over.
Okay, the source file. Okay.
Over to your C drive, over to the Unreal Engine release, the source.
Okay, so I open the other. The C drive, Unreal Engine release. Okay, so what I do with this two thing?
Build, go to engine, source.
Engine, source. Source. I know. Engine. Source.
And then copy over the UE4 server.
UE4 server target. This one, copy.
Target.cs. Then all you have to do
In the source here. Okay.
is rename this to my project server.target.
My project server.target. Okay. So my project. Okay.
Target.cs. Then open up the file with Notepad++.
Notepad++. I don't have this. I need Notepad++. I don't have this thing. This is Notepad++. Is it this thing? No, it's this thing here. What the heck is uncounting? 32 bits? What? No. Oh no, why did I... This is in French, I'm sorry. The heck is all this? Oh my god. Okay. What? Well, I don't know. The heck is this? Yes. I guess I would use this, but... Software is like sex, better when it's free. What the heck is this? Is this serious? Okay, whatever. Okay, so... There we go. Alright, see? We have it. So, what do I have to do in there?
Plus, and rename this right here to my project or your project name. And do the same for right here as well.
My project server target. My project server target.
And then change this to my project.
My project. My project. Okay. Save. Okay.
And then file, save this. Okay, once that's finished, you can go right here, right click, and
So I'm going back to my project. In Unreal. No, it's not there. So my project, and I generate
the Visual Studio project files. Once that's finished, you can
generate Visual Studio project file. Okay. So like this. Will this work? Will this work? That's the question. I'm going pretty far right now. Okay, so that's it.
right click the project.sln and open that up with Visual.
SLN. Open with 17.
Visual Studio 2017. Okay, and then once we have this open, what you want to do is click on your project, click down here on the little tab and click Development Server. Sure that's Win64. Then you can go ahead and right click and click.
Okay, so we are at this point, we're building the files for the project. I guess it's the dedicated server, I'm not sure. But you should only open project from trusted source. The heck? Okay, so it's still loading. We're gonna wait. Oh wow, it's loading a lot actually. Okay. We're gonna double wait. It's good stuff, huh? I'm making progress, but making progress. I told you, we're gonna crush this monster. Unreal Engine 4, it's like easy mode. Easy mode. You will see. In a few weeks, we will be professional. Unreal Engine professional, guys. So it's still loading. You can see down the screen. Well, you can't really see it, but if you follow the mouse here, it's loading here on the back, on the down of the screen. I have the feeling it's gonna work. Can tell you. I have the feeling. So that's a good feeling. I have the feeling it's gonna work. I have the feeling. Come on. Load. Come on, come on, come on. Load, load, load. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Ready, finally. So, development server. I just want to double check this.
Development server. Sure, that's when.
Development server. Development server. Windows. Okay. So I go here. I just want to be double check again.
64. And you can go ahead and right click and click
And
build.
build. Okay, so that's gonna take some time, he said. Build. Development server. Here we go. We can see it. I'm gonna reduce the screen. Look. It's calculating down here. Interesting. For a first day of Unreal Engine streaming, not that bad actually. I mean, I'm actually surprised. We got one error and we fixed it. So I'm not sure how, but we did it. And the rest is building. And my computer doesn't lag that much compared to StarCraft 2. When I load stuff, my computer is just super freeze, and I mean, it's not that bad. So now it's loading stuff, and yeah. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna be. You can see you can see here. Well, no, that's me. Oh my god. Yeah, see. You can see down here. It's loading. See? So, if I understand how this works, so each time you building stuff here, it creating files. This is how the files are created. If I understand all this stuff. It's different than StarCraft for sure. It's more, you know, StarCraft doing a lot of things that you don't have to care, you know. But now you need to care about everything. So I can't wait to see how the coding is gonna be. Can't wait. It's gonna be interesting. All right, let me be right back. We need to wait. So just you can see the progress down the screen, and I'll be right back.